Hello, and welcome to a walkthrough video where today you will learn how to obtain a state library e-card from the Kansas State Library and gain access to digital content such as ebooks and audiobooks. Being a student at Atchison High School, you've been issued an iPad. And with your iPad, you can use it to read digital ebooks as well as listen to digital audiobooks. And if you're wondering how to get access to that content, well, you've come to the right place. Today, you're going to learn how to do just that. The first thing that you have to do is fill out a state library e-card application. It's really simple, and I've got several of these in the library. All I need from you is your first name, middle initial, last name, your email address, preferably your school email, and your birth date. With that information in hand, all I have to do is go to the Kansas State Library's website. I log in with my own information, and then I go to create a profile for you. Entering in the information that you've given me, I can now create your own Kansas State Library e-card. You will be issued a number that you'll log in with for most applications, as well as a password. Your password is all digits of your birth date, including any zeros at the beginning. Now that you have your State Library e-card login information, you're going to need to download a couple of apps to your iPad. I would recommend 3M's Cloud Library app and One-Click Digital app. Cloud Library will allow you to check out and read ebooks from the State Library's collection, and One-Click Digital will allow you to check out audiobooks from the State Library's collection. With the apps downloaded, let's first walk through how to get into the Cloud Library and start checking out books. When you first open up the app, you'll be greeted with an icon of the app that will tell you to tap the screen to continue. From there, you'll want to select your country, here, the United States. Next up, select the state of Kansas. And then there will be 3 libraries that pop up. Be sure to click on State Library of Kansas, Capitol Building. Next, it's going to ask for your login. Now remember, this will be your library e-card number, and then the password will be all the digits of your birthday. Once logged in, you'll be taken to a page of featured books. From here, you can see a lot of new books that you can check out directly to your iPad. If you'd like to do a little bit of digging, be sure to click on Browse. From there, it will take you to a listing of genres and various books you can check out relating to each genre. Once you find a book you'd like to check out, simply click on it. There will be a green button that says Borrow. Click on that. And before you know it, you're right into your book and ready to read. It'll stay in your iPad for about 2 weeks, and then it will automatically return itself to the State Library's digital collection. If you'd like to hold on to it for longer than that, be sure to renew it, or simply check it out again. Now that the easy part is out of the way, let's talk about how to get into One-Click Digital. It's a little bit different. You're going to need to create your own user ID to log in. To do this, simply go to the Kansas State Library website. Click on Library eCard Login and log in with your library eCard information. From there, click on One-Click Digital Audiobooks Registration, and then you'll be prompted to create your own username and password to log into One-Click Digital. From there, getting into One-Click Digital is pretty similar to getting into the Cloud Library app. You want to select USA, then put in the username that you created specifically for One-Click Digital with the password, and then you'll be prompted to a white screen that tells you you have no titles checked out. From there, simply click on Search. Just like with Cloud Library, you'll be taken to a featured audiobook page. If none of those books strike your fancy, simply click in the search box and type in a book you'd like to read. Click on a book you like, click Checkout. You'll have it for a few weeks, just like Cloud Library. After checking out, click on My Titles in the upper left, and there you have it, your audiobook ready to listen at your leisure. And there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial about how to get your Kansas State Library e-card and get access to digital content through the Cloud Library and One-Click Digital Audio. I hope you find some great books to read or some great books to listen to. Remember, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or issues with your iPad, never hesitate to come to the library and speak to me, Mr. Corey. Thank you.